Africa is rising into a new digital age. Across the continent, innovation is accelerating. Ideas are becoming platforms. Data is becoming power. Artificial intelligence is redefining how we learn, govern, build, and grow. But technology alone does not transform societies. Vision, leadership, and collaboration do. On the 24th of February 2026, the Human Sciences Research Council hosts the 10th Africa Unity for Renaissance Conference, bringing together the thinkers, builders, policymakers, and changemakers shaping Africa's digital future. This milestone gathering will explore how digital technology and artificial intelligence can drive sustainable development ethically, inclusively, and at scale. If you believe Africa must not just adopt technology, but lead with it. If you are committed to shaping a future that is equitable, intelligent, and sustainable, then this is your moment. Join us at HSRC 2026. Let's shape Africa's digital future together.